It's that time of the year again. Crisp morning, autumn leaves, and the only excuse to cozy up our homes with the perfect autumn decor. Home Sense always nails their seasonal vibe, and autumn is my personal favorite. Do comment down which country are you watching from and if you celebrate Halloween. Got back home to prepare a hearty meal because I had my best friend visiting me. Okay, so my friend is visiting today and I have a special lunch menu for her. So I have soaked rice here, which I'm gonna make jeera rice. Then this is going to be made into butter chicken. So I've marinated the chicken and now I'm just gonna bake them. And I have made a mixture for either tuna cutlets or tuna croquettes. I'll see what I can make. I've already shared the recipe of butter chicken, so I will link it somewhere on the screen or put it in the description. If you all want to check it out, then please do check it out. And it's like more like a restaurant style butter chicken, but it's made in the healthy way with very less oil, as the chicken is also being baked here instead of fried. And yeah, you don't really require that much cream as they normally put in restaurants, but it turns out to taste absolutely delicious. So do check out my recipe. I'm gonna link it in the description. Also, the tuna cutlets or tuna croquettes, I've not shared a recipe of cutlets, but the mixture is pretty much the same, but I have made it into croquettes and I had shared a recipe before, so I'm gonna link that one as well, so you can go and check it out. So I've lined my foil paper with the marinated chicken, and I'm gonna bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. All ready, and I can't tell you how good this smells. And my gravy base is also ready, so I'm just gonna add the chicken to this and give it a good boil and then just top it up with cream and kasturi methi. Finally, my buffet is ready. So here I have my tuna fish cutlets, then jeera rice and butter chicken. And then we tried our luck with making kunafa cups and they turned out really well.
Do not you dare post this anywhere.
So it needs some chopped strawberries, pistachio cream and melted chocolate.
You never know, we probably are making it wrong, you know?
We were kind of making it wrong, but it's the thought that counts, that we wanted to eat dessert just after having a hearty meal. So first layer is the roasted kadaif, then it goes the melted chocolate, then you top it up with some pistachio cream, some freshly chopped strawberries. Then you repeat the layer with some roasted kadaif, melted chocolate, pistachio cream, and strawberries again. And this is how it looked finally, and trust me, it was really good. The combination of pistachio cream, chocolate, strawberry and kadaif, and it turned out really amazing. You have to try this out. The day ended with exploring the neighborhood, enjoying the sunset and having a good hearty laugh. Do try out the butter chicken, tuna cutlet and kunafa cup recipe and let me know your views in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed watching us cook today and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet.